Meme coin is back in conversation, but not because of a breakout. It's because even after dropping over 83% year-to-date, this meme-driven crypto refuses to disappear. Priced currently at $0.001804, some traders are whispering that it might be prepping for a surprising rebound. Others say it's just a slow, inevitable fade into meme coin history. So what's the real story? Let's break it down. What began as a fun, meme-fueled crypto journey is now hanging on the edge of obscurity. Meme coin, ranked number 369 on CoinMarketCap, was once a hot token in the Twitter and Telegram meme spaces. Riding the high of social sentiment and massive speculation in late 2024, it peaked near $0.018, and since then, it's been on a brutal downtrend. Looking at the chart, it's obvious. Meme coin has been in a long bearish cycle. From January through mid-2025, it's seen consistent red candles, hitting lows that crushed investor sentiment. The 50-day moving average is way up at $0.0069, showing that the coin has a long climb to regain any sort of previous momentum. But interestingly, the short-term 7-day moving average is now at $0.001716, and the current price is slightly above that. It's a small sign, but it could suggest buyers are starting to accumulate again. In the last 24 hours, meme coin is up about 4.13%, and over the last 30 days, it has gained more than 20%. That's not nothing, especially when you compare that to its 90-day loss of 13% and an 83% drop YTD. Clearly, we are in a zone where whales, insiders, or early buyers could be quietly loading up, not for fundamentals, but for the potential of a sentiment-driven pump. So, is meme coin dead? Not yet. But is it sleeping? Definitely. And if history tells us anything, it's that meme coins don't die quietly. They usually go out in a blaze of FOMO-fueled fireworks. Speech balloon, let me know in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish on meme coin? Are you holding, buying, or done with meme tokens entirely?